Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make Nariyal Toffee at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of freshly grated coconut, which is key for that authentic taste. We'll also use 1 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of milk to create the perfect sweetness and texture. Don't forget 1/4 cup of ghee or butter and a small pinch of cardamom powder for a lovely fragrance. Let's get cooking. Now, let's start cooking. In a heavy-bottomed pan, combine your grated coconut, sugar, and milk. Place it over medium-low heat. This step requires your full attention, so stir constantly for about 15 minutes. You'll notice the mixture gradually thickening and pulling away from the sides of the pan. This consistent stirring is crucial to ensure even cooking and prevent any scorching, giving us a perfectly golden base. Once your mixture has thickened nicely, it's time to add the 1/4 cup of ghee or butter. This addition is vital for achieving that rich, glossy texture and preventing stickiness. Continue stirring diligently for another 5 to 7 minutes. You'll see the mixture become even more cohesive and shiny. To test for readiness, take a tiny bit, let it cool, and it should form a soft, pliable ball. Finally, stir in your cardamom powder. Almost there. Carefully transfer the hot Nariyal Toffee mixture onto a greased tray or plate. Using a spatula or the back of a spoon, press it down evenly to a thickness of about 1/2 inch. This ensures uniform pieces. Now comes the hardest part, patience. Let it cool completely at room temperature for at least 2 hours. Once firm, you can cut your delicious Nariyal Toffee into your desired shapes, perhaps 1-inch squares, and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.